Hello, I'm Heather from blendhappy.com. I'm going to make a first trimester smoothie, although I'm well beyond the first trimester. I'm in my third now. I just have enough energy to make these videos now. If you're pregnant too, I'm sure you understand. The best thing about making a smoothie while pregnant in the first trimester is you can get everything you need into one spot. You don't have to worry about eating the individual items. It's quick, it's easy, and with the Vitamix Professional Series 750, it is so easy to clean up after with just a switch of a button, some hot soapy water, and I've got a demo video for that, so check that out. All right, so let's get started on what you need and why it's important. So, I didn't feel like getting fancy cups. I don't need to be fancy right now. I'm due any day. Like, I just want simpleness and ease, and so this is one of my treats today. And yes, even though I'm in the third trimester, and this is called the first trimester smoothie, it doesn't matter. It's okay. It's good to have throughout pregnancy because of all of the nutrients. So we've got vitamin C, more vitamin C. We've got spinach for folic acid. We've got spirulina for iron. Spinach also has iron. Oh man, all right, I'm just gonna get started because this mama is hungry. So you wanna start with your liquids first. We're doing some orange juice. You can use fresh oranges if you'd like. I don't have any on hand, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it on in here. There we go. So you want about a cup of orange juice and then a cup of coconut water. So it's important to get your calcium and vitamin D OJ, and also just get OJ altogether because it has vitamin C. You want as much vitamin C in your first trimester as possible to prevent birth defects and to also boost your immune system because your immune system is going to be lower when you're pregnant. So you need to boost it up and just stay healthy for you and baby. And then we want another cup of coconut water for hydration, and it's very mild taste. If you can't stomach orange juice right now in your first trimester, we all have different pregnancy sicknesses, then you know what, I don't know, use pineapple juice or something. Find something you can stomach and stand, hopefully. A cup of frozen peaches. Actually, we're gonna put in the banana first. Banana for potassium. So if you're cramping it all from those uterine cramps and like your uterus stretching, gosh, that was a freaking nightmare. I'm gonna be honest, this shit hurt, okay? So I've never had a kid, so I was cramping and like, what's happening? Like, am I about to miscarry? No, it was just my uterus stretching out, getting ready to grow the baby. I was like, whoa. Okay. So then you want spirulina. Get your iron in here. Your body's producing even more blood now because you're creating a little human. Like, it takes a lot out of you. And if guys are watching this, like, dude, treat your woman right. Because you know what? That baby's taking everything from her. Like, everything. That baby will take everything first and leave you with like nothing, and that's why we take prenatals, right girls? Oh my gosh. So then I want some spinach in here. I got my iron levels tested throughout the pregnancy, and my midwives said my iron levels were phenomenal. So if you want some phenomenal ass freaking amazing levels of iron there, you're gonna need spirulina and you're gonna need spinach. Suck it up, all right? Get the damn spinach in you because you need it and the baby needs it. Do it for the baby. Folic acid right here. It's good stuff. So I like spinach because it's mild. You can also use kale. I love kale in my smoothies. But when you're in your first trimester and you can taste every little thing, obviously you're like, oh my gosh, I can't deal with kale right now. It's too bitter. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you like sweet, maybe you like savory, I don't know. I just know this is the one smoothie I can handle. It's also important to get protein in you. So if you can handle protein, throw a scoop in. I'm gonna be honest, protein powder made me gag the whole first trimester. So I was like, that ain't happening. I'll eat it in other forms, nut butters, whatever. I just couldn't stand the taste of protein powder. That was just me personally. So last but not least, we want to stick our frozen goods on top. That's how it works in the Vitamix. You get your liquids, you got your fruit, your veggies, your powders, and then it wasn't a whole lot of powder, so that's why I put the spirulina in before the spinach, whatever. And then you want your frozen goods on top. Okay, so that way the liquid can start to emulsify all the other ingredients and then pull the frozen fruit down instead of getting stuck with the frozen fruit at the start. You don't want that. And let me tell you another reason you want a damn Vitamix, because you can make baby food with your Vitamix, purees. Oh, so good. You can make soups, you can make quick, easy dinners. I love this thing. I gotta get blending now because I really need this smoothie in me because I need some energy. So we're gonna turn it to the first preset setting, which is the little drops, and that is for your whole food smoothie. And then we make sure it's on and we hit the button to start blending. And that's it. That's simple. We got ourselves a nice frothy smoothie full of vitamin C, folic acid, potassium, and iron. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be one healthy baby. I know mine is already. By the way, do you like my flirty apron? Because, yep, I'm an affiliate for them. I love their aprons. They're just sassy and sexy and flirty and fun in the kitchen. And if you really want to spice things up, you can wear just the apron alone in the kitchen one day while cooking before that baby comes. Anyway, just gonna give the full disclosure. I'm also an affiliate for Vitamix, so if you choose to buy a blender through me, you're helping support my business, keeping a roof over my head and food in my belly for my baby. And honestly though, I love this Vitamix so much. I've been using Vitamix since 2010, so you see my review on that, okay? And then I'll put a link in the description below. And also, if you decide to buy one, then just email me, blend@blendhappy.com, and I'll give you my free dessert smoothie book. It's how to satisfy your cravings without indulging in fatty, fat desserts. So here we go. I'm excited. Wonderful. I can mainly taste the orange juice and banana and the peach, and I don't have to worry about all that green. So yeah, it's like super green, getting your green smoothie in, but you need these nutrients in you. It's very important. So again, if you can't stomach it, just email me. I can give you some other ideas for smoothies or food ideas to help you out, because I really just want the best for everybody and their baby. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoy this smoothie, and I wish you the best pregnancy and that everything goes smooth and peaceful.